गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयम् एवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्म विद्वरं दक्षिणे लक्ष्मणो यस्य वामे तु जनकात्मज पुरतो मारुतिर्यस्य तं वन्दे रघुनन्दनम्। हरि ओम। Bodhisara, what we have already seen, we'll sing, then we'll go to the last stanza. I think you can repeat then, huh? एकमेवा द्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म
एकमेवा द्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म
निर्गुणं निश्चलं निर्विकारम्
निर्गुणं निश्चलं निर्विकारम्
एकमेवा द्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म
एकमेवा द्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म
अत्र वेदान्तमेव प्रमाणम्
अत्र वेदान्तमेव प्रमाणम्
बोधक सद्गुरु तत्त्वनिष्ठः
बोधकः सद्गुरुः तत्त्वनिष्ठः
ईश्वरानुगृहीतेन वेद्यम्
ईश्वरानुगृहीतेन वेद्यम्
एकमेवाद्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म
एकमेवाद्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म
ज्ञानगम्यं तुरीयं हृदि स्थम्
ज्ञानगम्यं तुरीयं हृदि स्थम्
आत्मरूपं हि तद्येन ज्ञातम्
आत्मरूपं हि तद्येन ज्ञातम्
सोऽध्वनः पारमाप्नोति सत्यम्
सोऽध्वनः पारमाप्नोति सत्यम्
एकमेवाद्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म
एकमेवाद्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म
एकमेवाद्वितीयम्। एकमेव अद्वितीयं ब्रह्म अस्ति, and that is Nirguna, Nischala, Nirvikar. Vedanta is Pramana. Sadguru is the teacher, and the student blessed by Bhagavan is the knower of this truth. And this Tattvam is in our heart. That's why it says, Sarvasya chaham hridi sannivishtaha. Bhagavan says, I am there in the hearts of all beings as their own self. Atma Rupena. So this Turiya Brahma, Hridistham, to be known through Dhyanam, Dhyanakara, Akhandakara Vritti Dhyana. That it is not that somewhere far, but it is my own self. In this way. And the one who knows Pratyagatmataya so advanaha paramapnoti satyam. That person goes beyond all the bondages of samsara. Satyam, it is truth. Trivara satyam it is. And that satyam which is beyond the samsara. Now, the one who knows that person is called Brahmajna, knower of Brahman. But that Brahman is known as one's own self. Therefore, that knower is that Brahman or name. Then what is the vision of that Brahmajnani? What is his vision? We see this world, a Jnani also sees the world. As Bhagavan Raman Maharshi has said in his Saddarshan, he said, Adnyasya Vidyasya Vishwamasti. The world is there for experience. Ignorant man also sees, an enlightened person also sees. But the difference is, Parasya Drishyameva Satyam. The one who does not know this Tattvam, so only whatever he sees, he thinks that much alone the truth is. Nothing more than that. That's what that person thinks. But the one who knows this truth says, yes, this world is. But drishya ashraya bhutamekam. But that which is the ashraya, the support of the drishya jagat, that's why Brahma is the adhar, adhishthanam, sarvadhishtanam advayam. That Brahma is that we see something more. Like, the one who sees many gold ornaments but does not know what is gold. So that person sees all ornaments. But the one who knows the gold is not only the ornaments he sees, but he sees the gold, which is the very truth of all ornaments. And therefore, that ornament, even if it is melted or different form is given, there is no hema what avikriyam sada it is. You know that no change has come with that gold itself. Gold was turned into necklace. Then necklace is melted and made other ornament. But the gold remains gold only. And therefore that person has no such attachment to particular form, particular quality. No attachment to any particular. Why you should get attached to form? And therefore the vision of Brahmadhyani is, as Sadashiva Brahmendra said, Sarvam Brahmamayam. Sarvam Brahmamayam. So whatever is seen is only seen as Brahman only. Even if you don't know that Brahman, even then it is there. But if you know it, then there is a difference. Because yat jnatvana punarmoha. Because after knowing this, then there is no further ignorance, delusion or anything. This is the difference. So both of them see this world. So what is the Brahmadhyani's vision? The Upanishad says all that. Purastat Brahma, Paschat Brahma, Dakshinataha, Uttarataha. Only Brahman alone is that. So therefore we see the vision of Brahmadhya. Brahmadhyasya tu brahmaiva sarvam. Nasti moho bhayam naiva dukkham. Tasya swanandamagnam hi chittam. Ekameva dvitiyam hi brahma. Brahmadhyasya. Brahma janati. The one who knows this Brahma as his own self and the Brahma as the very support, adhishthan of this world. So as far as oneself is concerned, Atma Rupataya. And when he sees the world, Adhishthanataya, as the substratum. So the substratum of this world and the illuminator of this world is one and the same. This is called Advait. So the one who knows that Brahmatnya, for that person, Brahmaiva Sarvam. But there is no distinction of any kind. That's what Bhagavan says in the Gita. Brahmarpanam brahmahavihi brahmagno brahmanahutam brahmaiva tena gantavyam brahma karma samadhina. Brahman alone is. Whatever different names, forms and all that, what you have seen, but that is nothing but that Brahman alone. This is the language of Vedanta. Sarvam kalvidam Brahma. Bhaktas, they know that Bhagavan whom they are worshipping, that Bhagavan only Brahman alone. That's why we say, Brahmeti Paramatmeti Bhagavan iti kachyate. So whom you worship as Bhagavan, that Bhagavan is my own true self, and that alone is the substratum of this world, and therefore the Bhakta, the Krishna Bhakta, they say Krishnamayam Jagat. Rammayam Jagat, Shivamayam Jagat, Devimayam Jagat, whatever that you are, Ishta Bhagavan says, that alone is all that. So Brahmadnyasya to Brahmaiva Sarvam. Then what is there to like, what is there not to, or to dislike? Nothing. So Brahmadnyasya tu. And therefore what happens because of this knowledge, nasti moha. Then there is no moha. Moha means ignorance, moha means lack of discrimination, avivek. That is not there. Moha is not there. Nasti moha bhayam. As long as that moha is there, bhayam, fear is there. And dukkham. Dukkham, sorrow, shoka is there. So shoka is not there, bhaya is not there, and moha also is not there. Now see, Ishavasya also says, Tatra ko mohaha, kas shokaha, ekatvam anupashyataha. The one who sees that ek tattva, where is the shoka moha? Now here three words are also there, shoka, moha, bhayam. Quite a few times I have mentioned about that, You see, the dukkha, the sorrow, we keep on grieving over something happened earlier. Past. We grieve over the past. And we fear the future. भाई पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है, डर लगता है, भयम. So sorrow is related to past, fear is related to future, and moha related to present. Teacher, I am confused, I don't know what to do. Confused. Moha, bhoot, vartaman, bhavishya. That's always I should say. That's why in English all these three periods of time called tense. Say past tense, present tense, future tense. But for Brahmadnya, Kala Trayatitaha is beyond time. That's why Sat Shri Akal, beyond time. That's Sat Swarup, Sri Chaitanya Swarup, beyond time. The past, present, future, time itself is not there. So what dukkham it all that. So for Brahmadnya, past relax, present relax, future relax. That's what says Vivek Swami is a shloka of Jivan Mukta. Atitan anusandhanam, bhavishyad avicharanam, औदासीन्यम अपि प्राप्ते जीवन मुक्तस्य लक्षणम. अरे अतीत गया तो गया, गॉन. What is it now? You go on and on and on. इसलिए महाराज जी स्वामी अखंडानंद जी के सबको भूत लगा है. अरे भूतकाल हो गया, वो तो चला गया, बट दे कीप ऑन रिमेम्बरिंग एंड ऑल दैट. भूत लगा है. वर्तमान में मोह है, भय है आगे. तो जीवन मुक्त कैसे है? अतीत अननुसंधान. पास्ट इज पास्ट, future is not yet come, something which has not yet even come. Why are you worried all that? What bhavishya? Go on thinking unnecessarily. अरे भूत वर्तमान भविष्य, they only appear in the adhishtan, that which is Brahman. The Brahman is untouched by all that. Even if they appear, what difference does it make? Makes no difference. You know, some people understand commercial language also. What commercial language? Past is a cancelled check. फ्यूचर इज ओनली प्रॉमिसरी नोट. पता नहीं क्या होगा. प्रेजेंट है वो तो कैश है, वो कैश है ब्रह्मन, वो है अभी. समझे? Then the one who mind revels in that, tasya svanandamagnam hi chittam, tasya chittam, that his mind is ever immersed and reveling in that Atmarup Brahman only. Atmarup Brahman. Then योगरतो वा भोगरतो वा संगरतो वा संगविहीनः यस्य ब्रह्मणि रमते चित्तं नंदति नंदति नंदत्येव. Then that person outwardly, whether you see that person is sitting in meditation, yoga, or enjoying the world of objects, whether he is with the crowd or alone sitting anywhere, these outward people say, but actually that is in Brahman only. Outwardly say is in the crowd or a solitary place, but it's Swananda Magna Chittam. How the moksha is defined in this way only? What is? Atyantuka dukkha nivrutti. Total elimination of sorrow. That's called shoka, moha, bhayam gone. That is one side of the coin. And Paramananda Prapti. I say Paramananda, only that word became permanent in English. Eternal happiness. Tasya svananda magnam hi chittam. Chittam. About that only how many things are said? Atmartihi, Atmakridaha, Atmasantushtaha, Tasya karyam na vidyate. For that person there is no more duties or anything. That does not mean that person does not do anything. Karmani abhipravrittopi naiva kinchit karoti sa. That is Jivan Mukta. Even though engaged in all activities, and everybody sees also engaged in activity, but naiva kinchit karoti. Brahma sarvagataha katham nu cheshtate. That is me, the one who has known. Sometimes it is easy to know Brahman, but to know knower of Brahman is tedi khir hai. Very difficult. Because you cannot put it in particular, okay, this alone is like that. You cannot. It defies all descriptions. If you think that knower of Brahman will always be Maunam, so that means the one who is talking is not a Brahman. And some will say, no, the one who talks, that is Brahmajnani. The Maunam is not Brahmajnani. And you go on saying all these things. Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi said, Tasya sthitim bhavayitum kshamakaha. Who can really understand what that person is, what is the state of mind, and what is the vision of that? How can you see that? The way that Jnani Purusha sees this world, Brahmajnasya tu Brahmaiva sarvam. Nasti moho bhayam naiva dukkham. Tasya swananda magnam hi chittam. That is ekameva advitiyam Brahma. And that's why it says, having known which, there remains nothing more to know. Having gained which, there remains nothing more to gain. Having seen which, there remains nothing more to see. But we are so much, are they curious and eager to see outside world, how much I have seen this, but I have not seen that. I have seen this, but I have not seen that. That's why Sant Nyayeshwar Maharaj said, पूरे पूरे आता प्रपंच पहाड़े, enough of seeing this and how. कभी तो enough तो बोलो. Enough is enough. If you want to see at all, Nijanandi Rahane Swarupi Umaye. We have seen this world, but the one who is illumining this world, and the one who is supporting this world, the one who is appearing in the form of this world, have you seen that? Yad drustvana param drishyam tad brahmetyavadharayat. Having seen which, nothing more to see because nothing else also is there. Nothing more remains to be gained. This is Bodhasar. This is the essence of this. Okay. So now it is complete. We can sing together only. एक ही बार बोल देंगे. एकमेवा द्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म निर्गुणं निश्चलं निर्विकारम्. एकमेवा द्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म अत्र वेदान्तमेव प्रमाणम्. बोधक सद्गुरु तत्वनिष्ठः ईश्वरानुगृहीतेन वेद्यम्. एकमेवा द्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म ज्ञानगम्यं तुरीयं हृदि स्थम्. आत्मरूपं हि तद्येन ज्ञातम्. सोऽध्वन पारमाप्नोति सत्यम्. एकमेवा द्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म ब्रह्मज्ञस्य तु ब्रह्मैव सर्वम्. नास्ति मोहो भयं नैव दुःखम्. तस्य स्वानन्दमग्नं हि चित्तम्. एकमेवा द्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म. एकमेवा द्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म निर्गुणं निश्चलं निर्विकारम्. एकमेवा द्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म. एकमेवा द्वितीयं हि ब्रह्म. ब्रह्मैव सत्यम्. this Brahman alone appears as Ram, as Krishna, as Shiva, as Devi Swarupa, Ganesh Swarupa. That therefore, if you have known Brahman, you have known everything. If you have gained Brahman, you have gained everything. There nothing remains more. So I see one. राम को जिसने भी पा लिया उसे न फिर कुछ पाना रह गया. If one has gained Ram, then there remains nothing more to be gained. Why? राम को जिसने भी पा लिया उसे ने फिर कुछ पाना रहेगा. Why? Because राम पूर्ण है, चिन्मय, सुखधाम. That Ram is Brahma, पूर्ण, चैतन्य स्वरूप, चिन्मय स्वरूप, सुखधाम, आनंद स्वरूप. एंड सबकी आत्मा राम पूर्ण है, चिन्मय, सुखधाम, आत्म रूप है सब ही के श्री राम. एंड इज आत्म रूप. एंड देयरफॉर इफ दैट इज गेन्ड, nothing more remains to be gained. राम को जिसने भी पा लिया,
राम को जिसने भी पा लिया
उसे न फिर कुछ पाना रह गया.
उसे न फिर कुछ पाना रह गया.
राम को जिसने भी पा लिया,
राम को जिसने भी पा लिया
उसे न फिर कुछ पाना रह गया.
उसे न फिर कुछ पाना रह गया.
राम पूर्ण है, चिन्मय, सुखधाम.
राम पूर्ण है, चिन्मय, सुखधाम.
आत्म रूप है सब ही के श्री राम.
आत्मरूप है सबके श्री राम.
राम पूर्ण है, चिन्मय, सुखधाम.
राम पूर्ण है, चिन्मय, सुखधाम.
आत्म रूप है सब ही के श्री राम.
आत्मरूप है सबके श्री राम.
इसलिए राम को जिसने भी पा लिया,
राम को जिसने भी पा लिया
उसे न फिर कुछ पाना रह गया.
उसे न फिर कुछ पाना रह गया.
राम राम श्री राम, राम राम.
राम 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 श्री राम, राम राम.
सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की
जय।
श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। राम राम श्री राम 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 श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम 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 श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम 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 श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम 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 श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम 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 श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम 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 श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम 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 श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम 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 श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम 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 श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम 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 श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम 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 श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम 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 श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम
राम राम श्री राम
गुरु गोविंद पदारविंद गुरु
गोविंद पदारविंद
गुरु गोविंद पदारविंद
गुरु गोविंद पदारविंद
चिन्मकरंद मनोमिलिंद
चिन्मकरंद मनोमिलिंद
चिन्मकरंद मनोमिलिंद
चिन्मकरंद मनोमिलिंद
गुरु गोविंद पदारविंद
गुरु गोविंद पदारविंद
चिन्मकरंद मनोमिलिंद
चिन्मकरंद मनोमिलिंद
गुरु शरणं हरि शरणं
गुरु शरणं हरि शरणं
गुरु शरणं हरि शरणं
गुरु शरणं हरि शरणं
गुरु हरि शरणं मोक्षपदम्
गुरु हरि शरणं मोक्षपदम्
गुरु हरि शरणं मोक्षपदम्
गुरु हरि शरणं मोक्षपदम्
गुरु गोविंद पदारविंद
गुरु गोविंद पदारविंद
चिन्मकरंद मनोमिलिंद
चिन्मकरंद मनोमिलिंद
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 श्री कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. All that what we do, we are able to do because we are blessed by Bhagavan with all our abilities, and therefore whatever do, everything we offer again that to Bhagavan. Huh? That is called Bhagavad Dharma. Offer everything to Bhagavan. So, aneno jnana yajnana. Even though it was with two talks with jnana yajna only, bodhasarupa jnana yajnana. Bhagavan sarvatmakaha priyatam, Sadgurushta priyatam. May Bhagavan be pleased and Sadguru be pleased, and with their blessings we also gain this knowledge, revel in that knowledge, revel in that bhakti, and get well established in it. That's our prayer. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhaved. Asato ma sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadayam Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari